This routine made me fall in love with my curls. If your hair looks dry, dull and tangled in winter, let me show you the routine that helped me. Wait till the end of this video because I'm also going to show you 3 simple hairstyles that you can do in under 2 minutes. I use the India Wild Chumpy oil. Winter makes curls extra thirsty, so using an oil like this before your hair wash is a game changer. I do a 5 to 8 minute massage, mostly on the scalp, and whatever is left goes on mid-lengths to ends of my hair. This just prevents that stripped feeling after shampoo. You can do this 1 hour before shampoo, or you can also keep the oil overnight. The biggest mistake we make is using the same shampoo all year. In winter, you should switch to something richer. I'm using the Fix My Curls cleansing shampoo. It's sulfate free but still properly cleanses. It doesn't leave that squeaky clean dryness which curly hair hates. Next step is something that will solve your biggest problem, that is tangled curls the moment they dry. In winter, I deep condition weekly. You should look for ingredients like shea butter, ceramides, argan oil, and also anything which slips so that the detangling is easier. The Dove Beautiful Curls mask works really well for this. I applied in sections. Always add a little bit of water so that it distributes better, and you can detangle your hair with your fingers after applying this mask. The slip is so good and it makes your hair super smooth. Just keep it in your hair for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off, and you're gonna have the smoothest and softest hair ever. Curls get dry in winter because the air is dry. You should never skip a leave-in conditioner. You need to apply it on wet hair after you're done washing. For fine curls, go lightweight. For thicker curls, you can choose richer creams or apply more product. I take a tiny amount of Fix My Curls hair butter and rake it in my hair. It's very hydrating for the hair. It instantly makes the hair super soft. I use a brush after this step. It easily detangles the hair and also distributes the product evenly. Humidity is low right now, so your curls don't get that natural clumping. I'm using the Moxie Super Defining Curl Cream. I love layering products in winter. Curl creams work really well if you layer it on top of a leave-in conditioner, especially if you have extremely dry hair. It defines without giving that cast. It's perfect for winter softness. I again use a brush to distribute it evenly. By the way, you can form curl clumps by using a brush. All you have to do is take sections of your hair, brush with tension, and just leave that section and maybe wiggle it a bit and look at the curl. You can scrunch. After this, you can repeat this on all the sections or only the sections which you feel don't curl properly. And now let's scrunch. Your hair needs to make this sound, otherwise your hair is not wet enough. You need to add more water because that's how you'll get those juicy and bouncy curls. Don't let it dry while applying products, okay? Scalp care is also important because winter flakes are real. If you have dry scalp, it will automatically make your hair look dull. The Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors Plus HA is perfect for this. All you have to do is put a few drops on your scalp. I like to apply it when my hair is wet so that it distributes properly. You can also apply it on dry hair, maybe before sleeping, after you wake up, whenever your scalp feels dry. And it hydrates the scalp really well and does not make it very oily. You just need to massage it lightly. Drying hair takes forever in winter, so if you use a diffuser, you might need to use it for a longer time, which can result in heat damage. So always use a heat protectant before using any heat on your hair. I'm using the Moxie Firefighter Heat Protection Spray. Very easy to use. You just need to spray it on the length of your hair before you use any heating tool. It protects your hair from heat damage, and it also has some very nourishing ingredients like argan oil, which will again just help your hair feel softer. Let me just diffuse my hair real quick and then I'll show you my final results. Now my hair is 100% dry, and as a last step, we will add a serum. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Moisture Injecting Serum. Just take a few drops of it and lightly smooth it over your curls. This will just add a nice shine, and it will also break any light cast we may have got after the curl cream. And then scrunch. I wish you could touch my hair and see how soft it's feeling right now. If you want some volume, you can also fluff your hair a bit. Just take your fingers close to the roots and lightly wiggle it like this, and yeah, Now it's time for the hairstyles. I'll be showing you 3 simple and quick hairstyles you can do on your curly hair. The first hairstyle is half up ribbon curls. So I'm just gonna leave out some front sections because they look cute, and then I'm going to take the top section of my hair, taking it very lightly so I don't ruin the curls. And once you have this little pony, take a rubber band and tie it little higher so that this part gives a bit of volume. Now this red ribbon is calling out my name because it's Christmas. You can of course leave your hair as it is because it looks cute, but to make it a little festive and holiday, I'm adding this bow. My hair looks like a Christmas present right now. This is my favorite hairstyle because I think this looks super cute, makes you look so youthful, and I feel very playful in this. For the next hairstyle, we are going to do a loose side braid. Again, I'm leaving out some front sections because I always do that. They look cute. And then I'm taking all my hair on one side. This hairstyle is perfect for those days where your lengths are not behaving. So I'm going to do a fish tail. So if you don't know how to do a fish tail, you basically have to divide your hair in 2 sections, and now take the tiniest section from your left section like this and cross it over and mix it with your right section. Do the same thing on the right section, so you have to take the tiniest and rightmost section from your right section and cross it over and mix it with your left section. You have to keep on repeating till the end of your braid. You can be messy and loose with this. This braid is very forgiving on curly hair. On straight hair, it will look messy if you don't do it perfectly, but it's fine. You can be messy since it's curls, you know, they are forgiving. As you can see, I haven't done the braid perfectly. You can just fluff it up a bit so that it looks more voluminous. That's it. This hairstyle will look beautiful on longer hair, by the way. You can put some pins, decorate it, get as creative as you can because it's holiday season. Next hairstyle looks complicated, but it's not. We're gonna do a nice curly bun. For that, again, you can leave out your front sections. Take the top half of your hair, leave the bottom section as it is. You will come to know why. Use a rubber band. You can tie a loose bun for the top half of your hair, and you can just fluff it up a bit more for volume. Now with the bottom section, you will need some bobby pins for this. Take a tiny section, just pin it in your bun. Do the same thing for the rest of your section. You don't have to pin it exactly on the bun. You can pin it on the side as well. Just pin it randomly so the hairstyle looks effortless. Taking the next section, this time I'm pinning it below my bun. For the last section, I'm gonna pin it on the bottom right side of the bun. This makes up for a perfect effortless glam look. The bun looks effortless because of these tiny sections coming out of it. You can add any fancy clip on the side. You can also add some flowers. That would make it perfect for events as well. And that's it. This was the winter curl routine that keeps your hair soft, glossy and frizz-free. And 3 hairstyles you can literally do in under 2 minutes. Let me know your favorite hairstyle in the comments down below and drop a heart if this video helped you. And all the products I used in this video will be linked down in the description box below. You can find all the curl loving essential on Tira. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you next time. Bye.